So welcome back to the channel. We're just gonna pay a slight homage to the legend that is AB. There was a Ferris wheel. And so AB came to Liverpool police headquarters, I think it is, or possibly it's not headquarters as such. It is. Oh, it is headquarters. Okay, so my bad. Look, police headquarters somewhere. It says here somewhere. Anyway, look. But I thought there must be another headquarters then. So essentially, what we're doing now is a bit of AB tourism. So this here is I believe it's a horse.
Is it a horse's willy?
This is
Yes,
this is the willy. It's the penis, and that's the testicles. It's a big horse. I think it's made out of rope. I believe it's made out of rope. So last time when AB was here, he had a chat with a police officer nearby, and maybe it symbolises the dock worker, the common dock worker. You know, and what a job it was. Not for the faint-hearted. And how many dock workers worked around here? Absolutely incredible. So here's the. I'm just going to walk past. I'm not interested in auditing the police station, but I wanted to go by it and pay homage to AB. That's all. So what we plan on doing is the Union flag up there. It's nice to see, isn't it? Now I'm on my way to a brewery, I believe, but we're also looking to see what we can see in the area. Okay, Heath and Sons rice millers. So there used to be, is that what they're saying? There's a rice millers. So this is where AB, I think, did a circuit of this police station. I think he tried the back door and aroused some suspicion, which caused the genie to come out of the kettle. But I shall not copy that, because let's face it, maybe he's a completely different creature to me, so I won't have to do the same. Let's cross here, I think. Now, this is a nice place to do a little video. This is more my kind of thing. So we've got a high-rise sort of crane, not too high, quite a small crane. Wonder what this is or will be. There's a contractor. Looks like they're not working on a Sunday, so all the more reason, I'd say, to take a little stop here and perhaps get the drone out. Let's have a look. Aha, Joseph Heap, rice millers. So we've got history here. We've got the. I don't quite understand rice milling though. What the story is behind that? Flour milling, yeah, but rice milling, Okay. Now, let's have a little look. Let's have a little look at the signage here. PPE must be worn on site. Right. What's that say? Okay, long trousers, blah 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 blah. Okay, this is people working on site. Site office, construction site, keep out. Now, I'd say this is a very interesting place to get the drone up here, because we've got these huge, I can only describe them as long doors. They look like they should open and stuff be thrown out. Construction vehicles in the area, heavy plant machinery. So it looks like this area is under development. It looks like to me there's some regeneration going on here. Heaps rice mill. So we are. Let's have a look at this. Aha! Town and country planning. We'll get this on camera as well. That's what we like to see. Don't think I can get that on camera. Try. So it says application number J Heap and Sons Limited, Shaw's Alley, Liverpool L1 ADR, to use basement as an ancillary residence, spa and gym, including removals of columns and staircase. Applicant Legacy Towers Limited. Blah 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 blah. Samantha Campbell, head of planning. So a date attached here. Cunard Building, which is near the Liver Building. Doesn't really give a date. Comments 21-day period. Yeah, but from when? Can't really see the date on there. The application number's 22 Lima/2224. Site notice. Okay, interesting. The car parked here in the double yellows, which is disabled. Vehicle. Okay. All good in the hood. Footpath closed for obvious reasons. So I'm guessing this footpath is open. Very nice. I think get a line of sight. Be kind of good to get droning up from the pavement down here. That'd be ideal. Smoking site, please. Yep. Okay, we're gonna get Jimmy up here, and then just see what we can see in the local area. Time, just keep an eye on this time. Yeah. Good. So I wanted to get a construction site in, so this one's a bit more substantial, and obviously in 10 years time this will be built. Maybe even the end of this year it'll be all built. So while Jimmy loads up press satellites, him, it. Get the show on the road. Thanks for bearing with me yesterday. If you saw yesterday's audit of well, it wouldn't be yesterday, but for you it would be a few days ago, of Walton Hall Park. And I walk up to the bridge. Dark times, honestly. Sorted out here. check on drone assist. See that on screen. Drone assist. So what you do like this. So in a controlled traffic region, which doesn't apply to 250s, so I like to keep a record of that always. That's a record. What is the weather like?
It's currently partly cloudy and 43
So still
degrees.
50% chance of rain. So we keep an eye out on that. It's not windy to of any note. No wind of any note. 14 satellites acquired. Okay. Let's volume up. Got it.
FPV has been turned off. It will turn on automatically after the aircraft takes off.
Right. Kidick. I think we'll call it a day after this and head back to base. Taxi driver. So we just need a few more satellites. Okay, I think we've got enough now. Ready to fly.
The home point has been updated.
Yeah.
Please be mindful of the new return to home point. No obstacle avoidance mode. Please fly with caution.
Okay. So I believe. I believe I didn't record over the lie of the building, so I may have to go and redo some of the lie of the building. So there we go. Drone is holding steady. See the lie of the building. 69 meters. See, dock area, Museum of Liverpool, live building. If we go down here, we should see the police building there, and the crane. Okay. A little fly around. View the Anglican Cathedral there, and gonna bring gimbal down. Change into sport mode. Line of sight. Line of sight. No fright. Do it right.
High winds. Please fly
High
with
winds?
caution.
Yeah, okay. That's fine. It brings Jimmy down a little bit. Okay. Gonna end it there and wrap up this video and I think re-video the live building. So from me and Jimmy, over and out.
Landing.